Winston likes to sleep in, and so I have to wake him up in the morning to get him his breakfast.
Winston, are you hungry? Come on.
After that, he just waits patiently until I'm ready to leave and take him out. It's so nice to have another being there that appreciates you and values you. There's just this bond that you don't have with anyone else. Winston has arthritis in his elbow, and as a result he walks with a limp, and so he needs to have some easier forms of transport. People love having pets. They give them health benefits, companionship, a reason to go outside, a reason to feel alive, and I'm lucky that I get to work to make sure that happens in a context that's great for animals too. Working at the SPCA has its perks. We all get to bring our pets into work. Winston really enjoys being in the office, and he actually makes my workplace a happier place for my colleagues. I feel very lucky because I get to live my dream life. My name is Amy. My dog's name is Winston, and I work to make change for animals.